I'm going to show you how to start a project and add people to your project. If you go to the home page and you go down a bit, you will see this. It says projects. You can begin a new project by clicking on the new button there. Let's call this one test. Name it, save it, open it up. When you open it up, it's going to default and it's going to give you all of these things, and this little guy is going to say, hey, how are you? Can I help you? I'm just going to say no thanks, because all I'm going to do is show you, here you go, you got a project, maybe it's something you're working on, maybe you're working on the spaghetti dinner for like Ontario County, and you have a team of people that you want to start organizing with using Basecamp. Do an invite people to this project. Click on that, add people, invite them by email, or invite them with a link. I showed you in another screencast how to invite people by email, so I'm going to show you how to invite people by link here. So all you do is click on invite people by link, get that link, copy it, and you've got it, and you can send it to somebody. You can post it in a Facebook group that maybe you have and say, hey, you want to help out with the spaghetti dinner? Click on this link and join my project in Basecamp. So it's that easy to start a project and add people to the project. The people you add to the project do not already have to be on Basecamp.